Kaguya-sama Love is War. The name of this Japanese anime television series stands the same meaning as Kaguya wants to be confessed to. The genius is war of hearts and minds. The comic is a romantic comedy genre of the famous manga comics written and illustrated by Aka Laska. This Japanese animated manga story was released in 2015 where it began the sterilization in Sashua Medical Jump. The launch of the comic took place on May 19, 2015 in the Medical Jump magazine and ended on January 19, 2016. The completion of the comic in its original magazine was due to its publishing shift in the weekly Young Jump magazine, where the comic was released on March 24, 2016 till the present time. The comic book has 19 volumes till now and is in the process of developing more. The series has been published by Shashua along with NA Viz Media as its English publisher. The story is also available as a film which was released on September 6, 2019 with a running time of 120 minutes. Update on its arrival. After the show is a hit in the comics category, the story was then initiated to made into a series. So after its release as a comic in 2015, 5 years later, this comic story was made into an animated show. The name of the story was the same as its comic now, Kaguya-sama Love is War. The launch of the first season of this series took place on January 12, 2019 and ended on March 30, 2019. This series is written by Yasuo Nakanishi along with Notoa Nakajima, Tetsuya Ishikawa, and Taku Funkasho as the producers of the show. The show was released on several networks like Tokyo MX, JYT, BS11, GTV, CTV, TVN, and MBS, and earned huge fame and support from the public's end. After the completion of the first part of this series and considering the massive popularity gained by it, the show was renewed for a second season in October 2019. The release of the second season of this series took place on April 11, 2020 and completed on June 27, 2020, just a month back. The country origin of the series in Japan and the show has given two mind-blowing seasons till now, comprising of 24 episodes, 12 in each season. Each season is two licensed by Aniplex of America and were released on its original network only. After the completion of the second season of the show recently, the only popular question asked by the fans was whether the series would have another season or not. So, after a lot of waits, this popular question was taken into consideration and it was announced that the third season of Kaguya-sama Love is War will be coming soon. Well, given the success made by the first two seasons of the show, it was no doubt that another part of it will be made. However, considering the current pandemic situation and the release in the completion of the second season just a month back, there aren't many updates on the upcoming season. However, it is known that the coming season of the series will too be written by Aka Akaska and will be releasing on its original networks. After becoming one of the popular animated series worldwide, Kaguya-sama Love is War is all set to premiere its third season, presumably next year. The news on the coming of another season was a matter of great excitement for the fans of the show and is much awaited by them. So given the love gained by the third season already, this romantic animated manga series is expected to be as amazing as its past season. Romantic plot of the show. The show is a romantic comedy genre, holds an adorable and fantastic storyline. The series revolves around mainly two characters, Kaguya Shinomiya and Miyoki Shirogen, and centers around their love story. Kaguya Shinomiya is the vice president of the student council of her school, whereas Miyoki Shirogen is the president. He is also the top student of the school. With Kaguya coming from a wealthy family, the difference between the two grow. They both have feelings for each other and it is well known to both of them. However, their pride is not letting either of them confess their love for one another, as they believe whoever does it first will lose. So the plot of their show mainly revolves around romantic and fun incidents between these two and how they both try to make the other one confess first.